A nice little walk in the forest. It's pretty hot today, as you can see on my shiny forehead. I really do enjoy walking in these woods. It's so peaceful. Let's see where it goes. There is actually a little trail here. I think I just saw a deer. Oh, it's my first wildlife encounter in the Swedish woods. So that's good to know. We are not all alone. I don't mind that. There's some strange sounds. But I've been coming here for the past 10 years. So a lot of the sounds I'm just used to, but we never see any big animals up here. Maybe it's too close to a big city and they don't like coming in so close. But maybe I'll be lucky today. Who knows? We're going up this hill. There's a big rock at the top with a beautiful view. I really do enjoy this hike. Ooh. Things are falling down from the trees. Oh. As you can hear, I'm clearly not in shape for this off-road trail, but it's nice when you're out here just to enjoy nature, and it's healthy. You just need to start. And don't forget to smile. That will get you a long way. Oh, up ahead is the big stone. Look at this. You see it? Look at this view. This is insane. I love it. And the sun is peeking through, almost like it was meant to be. Wow. Good time to catch my breath. Oh, yeah. let's continue. As you can see, someone has marked the trail, but I've been coming here for so long that I almost just know the trail by heart. It's I think it's a little over 8 miles with dense forest. The first time I walked here is maybe 10 years ago, and we have been coming back every year, and it seems like the trail never ever disappear. So I guess a lot of people are using it, or maybe a lot of animals, who knows. But I really do enjoy walking those 8 miles in a loop around our little holiday house in Sweden. It's such a peaceful place and really is beautiful. And I think all people will get something good out of going back out to nature and just by yourself and your thoughts. And now I got you guys, and this is really weird for me, talking to a camera in the middle of the woods. Normally I just walk and no talk. Just a lot of walking. Yeah. I know up ahead there will be a big clearing with a nice view over the valley, if I'm not mistaken. Just need to get down this slope and see, the sweat is starting to come. I haven't even been walking for 10 minutes, so this is gonna be a hot one, as they say. Yeah, it's right. The clearing is up ahead. From there, there is a very nice view too. As you can see, the forest opens up a little, and there is a nice open view. Let me come down here. Last time I was here, these trees were not that high, so you could really see a long way. If you look, it's like they knew people would stop. It really is beautiful. And then it goes up again into the woods. But as I told you before, I really do know this place very good after all these years coming here. But I enjoy it. It's a nice chill walk. Now it gets a little more dense. The forest will get thicker. But let's see how it goes. But this is a very nice trail. And the temperature is around 40-45 degrees here in Sweden at the moment, which is nice. I like the summer times in Denmark and Sweden. As As you can see, we are coming to another clearing down here. It's some kind of, I don't know, electric tower. Maybe a radio or something. I see. It's one of the big ones. This is clearly a place where they drop things off. Maybe just to turn around and go back down. They made this place. But the rest of the walk will be on gravel. We're still in the forest, but we're not gonna go off road. Just gonna stay on the trail right here. At some point, the forest will be more dense again. But this is a very open area. For a couple of years it was all overgrown, but they have really thinned out a lot of the trees up here, as you have to sometimes. But you used to not even see like 5 meters ahead, and now you can look like the other side here. You can't see anything on that side, but they have really thinned out the other side uphill, so you can really see how much forest there is. And guys, I know my English is not the best, but you need to remember English is not my first language. I'm actually a Danish guy, as many of you know by now. But I wanted to do this in English because it's a way of maybe learning to talk better English and not fumbling over the words. I think if this is something I will do more of, it will get easier as we go. And I don't even know if you guys want to see these just long walks in the woods. At the moment there's been no cuts in this video, it's just one long video. I'm just holding the phone by hand. I don't have a GoPro or any fancy stuff. It's just me, myself, my thoughts, you guys, and a camera. But who can say no to this face? This face right here. I'm just joking. Of course you can say no to this face. But I really do enjoy getting out, and I don't do it enough when I'm at home in Denmark. So this is actually, I enjoy all the holidays we do in Sweden because I have the time and the time to get out and enjoy nature. And I do enjoy walking. I have a fucked up ankle that sometimes bothers me, and I know if I walked a lot more, some would call it training, but just exercised a lot more, it would maybe get better. It's been a long time since I've had a problem with the ankle, but I know if I do these long walks it will hurt. But the mindfulness of this is so much worth the pain in my foot. Now the sweat is really starting to come. I have no hair to hold the sweat. Yeah, Now we're back in the dense forest, as you can see here. These trees are very old and has not been touched for a lot of years. As I said, I've been coming here for 10 years and this place has not changed at all. Still looks the same. And as you can see, there are still the marks of the trail. So if you haven't been here before, you can just follow the marks. There's a huge boulder up here. It's so misplaced. For a lot of years I was thinking about how it got there, because it really is out of place. Look at this huge ass stone. How did it get there? There's a lot of little stones, so maybe they have just rolled down from up top and just stopped. Another thing, guys, 100,000 views. That is just insane in 2 months. I never thought I would get so many views on my shorts. And I know compared to a lot of other people, 100,000 is not a lot. But for me, that is just insane numbers. And I got over 100 subscribers, which is insane too. But I have to start listening to you guys, because clearly you want to see this face, or you just enjoy all the nature. I don't mind just doing nature videos, but I would like to engage in some conversation with you guys. Maybe you can comment on what you would like to see, maybe just more nature videos, or we can just keep it as I always done, doing a lot of nice quotes, keeping the people happy, keep smiling. It's a huge thing for me. You need to be positive. We really do live in a weird time, and I do think if you keep being positive, positive things will come your way. This YouTube is really just a good example of that. I uploaded my first video and was like, people will not watch that. But I kept going, and now we are at 100 subscribers and 100,000 views. And that's in 2 months. I hope I can keep that steam going, but for now, maybe once a week I will upload a long form video. And if you guys don't like it, this is really just going to be uncut videos of me walking, talking. It's really just a vlog. But just to see if this could go anywhere. I would like to just do videos and live off that, but that's a long way in the future. For now, I will just keep my regular job and keep uploading shorts. Maybe once a week, upload a long form. If you guys want to see long form videos, or maybe I will get another audience for long form, and some of you will just watch the short videos I upload. But I think that is it for me, guys. We're coming up to a end of this little road here. As you can see, it splits into two ways, and I don't think I will do the long one today. I will just turn around and head back home. It has been Mikkel. I'm out. Peace. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, don't forget to keep smiling.